Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the cooling radiator fan and the control module on Volvo XC60 2 liters diesel. This is the fan right there. It's just behind the cooling radiator. In order to remove it, first we need to take out this electrical connector, and these are the two tabs that are holding it, which we need to push out and then pull up the cooling fan. Before removing the cooling fan, first we need to remove those two bolts holding the radiator in place. This way, when we remove them, the radiator will move to the back. Also, we need to remove this engine cover and this air intake hose as well. To remove the air intake hose along with this thing, we need to remove this metal clamp and that one as well, and then pull out the air intake hose. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the air intake hose out. Now we have more space to remove the cooling fan. Next, we're going to remove these two bolts that hold the cooling radiator in place. And when we remove them, we'll be able to move the cooling radiator a little bit to the back. And then we'll have more space to remove the cooling fan. When we remove the bolts, we need to pull out those plastic things that hold the radiator, and then the radiator will be free. Now when we remove those plastic things, look how the radiator is moving a little bit to the back. It's just enough to remove the cooling fan. Next, we're going to get a screwdriver and push out those tabs. And when we push out the tabs, we just need to pull up the cooling fan, and it will come out of its spot. And it's the same on the other side. We're going to move this cable to the back, and also we're going to disconnect the electrical connector, and now we're going to pull out the cooling fan. And that's the cooling fan out. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. The cooling fan control module is this silver thing on the left side. If we want to replace that, we don't need to remove the whole cooling fan, but that's the control module, and this is the new cooling fan along with the new control module. This is the part number for it. Now we're going to install the new cooling fan. Putting it on is the exact reverse procedure as removing it. When you put it in its place, in order to put it into the tabs, maybe get a screwdriver and just push the radiator to the back a little bit so that you can put it in those two tabs where the cooling fan is sitting, and then afterwards you can assemble everything else. The cooling fan is now in its place. Next I'm going to put on the electrical connector and I'm going to assemble everything else. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.